Hello and welcome to It Just Works. My name is Virtual Paradise, or you can just call me VP. Today we're going to be looking at the RTX 2080 and how it stands up to mining Ethereum in 2022, which will also translate to the same hash rate for Ethereum Classic, as ETC might be one of the best options after the Ethereum merge. So let's get into the video. So the 2080 is one of the highest end gaming cards from Nvidia's last generation lineup. The 2080 was released in September 2018, so it's only about 3.5 years old still to today's date. Now let's head into the mining room and check out its mining performance.
Right, having a look at the 2080. I only have one 2080, and it's my only single blower fan style card as well. And it's surprisingly probably one of my coolest cards actually, which I thought they would be quite inefficient only having one fan, but there we go. So looking at the 2080, it seems like it's similar to the 2070 Super, 2060 Super, etc. But this one I got in particular is a beast. I can get 46.5 mega hash out of it at 104 watts, which is giving me 448 kilohash per watt efficiency. And as you can see in Afterburner, with this one I actually managed to overclock it to the max 1500 megahertz on the memory clock, and its power limit is all the way down as well. So that is a silicone lottery win right there. So I don't know what kind of hash rate I'll get with the next 2080 that I managed to get, but I'm trying to get my hands on a 2080 Super more than anything at the moment, because I've got a 2080 Ti, the only card I'm missing in the lineup is the 2080 Super. I haven't got any just plain 2060s either, but I'm not very interested in them really. I'm going for higher hash rate cards now. So 2080 I think is still definitely a good and efficient card to get. And it's still got fantastic resale value because it's still a very high-end card from the last generation.
So looking at what to mine for current profitability, I've put in my values on Ethereum and ETC at 10 cents a kilowatt hour. And at the moment we're getting around $1.84 and around $1.58 after power per day. And on Ethereum Classic, we're getting around $1.28 and are just over $1.03 a day after power. So even with the market how it is at the moment, it's still a very profitable card. So taking a look at eBay for idea of current pricing, they seem to be going for between about £400 and £550 on average. So my target pricing for these cards would be anything under £375. Under £350 would be great, or that's around $450. So to conclude, I think the 2080 is still a great card for mining the Ethereum algorithm. All these 20 series cards are easy to overclock and find the right locked core clocks in the mining software. The 2080 will normally need two power connectors, either two 8-pins or an 8-pin and a 6-pin, so take that into consideration when thinking of how many splitters you need. And mining at around 44 to 47 mega hash at around 105 watts, it's still proven to be a pretty efficient mining card. Usually slightly more efficient than the LHR cards, but also still being a fantastic gaming card, still almost reaching 3070 performance, it should still hold on to some value over the next few years. So overall, I'm still very happy to pick up these cards at the right price, which at the moment my limit would be under £375 or around $460. Well, that's it for this video, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content or learned something new. Please drop a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy mining! Peace!